Your question is TD-SAT judgments can be challenged in the. Your options are A. Try, High Court, Supreme Court, B. Try and Supreme Court, C. High Court and Supreme Court, or D. Supreme Court only. Right answer is C. High Court and Supreme Court. Your question is public interest litigations was introduced by. Your options are A. A parliamentary act, B. A constitutional amendment, C. Judicial initiative, or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Judicial initiative. Your question is PIL is. Your options are A. Public interest litigation, B. Public inquiry litigation, C. Public investment litigation, or D. Private investment litigation. Right answer is A. Public interest litigation. Your question is where can the public interest litigation PIL be filed? Your options are A. Only in Supreme Court of India, B. Only in High Courts of States, C. In Central Administrative Tribunals, or D. Both in High Courts and Supreme Court. Right answer is D. Both in High Courts and Supreme Court. Your question is the concept of public interest litigation originated in. Your options are A. Australia, B. India, C. The United States, or D. The United Kingdom. Right answer is C. The United States. Your question is in which country the concept of public interest litigation was originated. Your options are A. Canada, B. United States of America, C. United Kingdom, or D. Australia. Right answer is B. United States of America. Your question is judicial activism in India is related to. Your options are A. Committed judiciary, B. Public interest litigation, C. Judicial review, or D. Judicial independence. Right answer is B. Public interest litigation. Your question is the status of women in Indian society was glorified by judgment of a court in September 2003. The court is. Your options are A. Supreme Court of India, B. Local court, C. Special courts, or D. High Court UP. Right answer is A. Supreme Court of India. Your question is the correct sequence of Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India is. Your options are A. B.P. Sinha, B.B. Gadkar, S.R. Das, B. K.G. Balkrishnan, S.H. Kapadia, H.L. Dattu, C. Ranjan Gogoi, N.V. Raman, Deepak Mishra, or D. H.L. Dattu, T.S. Thakur, Jagdish Singh Khekar. Right answer is D. H.L. Dattu, T.S. Thakur, Jagdish Singh Khekar. Your question is in which of the following cases the Supreme Court observed that Central Bureau of Investigation is a caged parrot? Your options are A. Railway Board bribery case, B. Vinit Narayan versus Union of India, C. 2G Spectrum scam case, or D. Colgate scam case. Right answer is D. Colgate scam case.